then everything within this red and white perforation is being recorded. And you can move it around. So that, now when I say things like, wait, this is not moving. I think it's working. It'll give you up to 15 minutes. QuickTime, I think, the limitation is 5 minutes. And Screencastify, because it goes straight into your Google Drive, is, as far as I know, it's as long as you want. So going to this slide, let's just talk about the things that you have done with the collaboration aspect of not just Google Slides, but any of the Google Suites. Have you shared documents with students and had them make comments? And what was your experience? What was the feedback that you got? Deleted the document. And what's a workaround, or what's something that can save your butt with that?
And you can see, I like it because you can see who posted it, and I didn't have anything at the
And
I'm like, I'll just post it.
right. Do you remember how to access where you can see who made the comments?
Yeah, like it says revision history.
Yeah, good.
And it pulls up every single thing. Because when they work on group projects too, like if something inappropriate pulls up, like if they post an inappropriate picture, see if they're not smart enough to know that, you see who posted it.
Yeah. And so you see over here to the right that.
And they're all colored, and you can see who did one, and even like a kid will say, "Oh, they posted something inappropriate," and I'm like, "Oh, and we can pull it up. I see exactly. You deleted it. This is when you did it.
Right.
You deleted it."
Excellent. Now, another thing that's useful is, and this certainly wasn't the case back when I was in the classroom teaching, you can reuse this stuff and make a copy, and even if this particular set of slides I used a couple months ago, and I just went back in revision history and just cleared all of the old data. I made a copy and then cleared all the old data and just went to the basic framework of it.
We did that for a project that we made a copy of like a whole Google slide, and each kid had to every day there was an assignment for them to do, and they would type in their assignment or whatever for that day.
Oh, awesome.
So they all had to make a copy of it. So, yeah.
All right, tell you what, if you wouldn't mind, take a look at somebody else's slide and either highlight a piece and then click on comment. And so what's the difference between the chat function and the comment function?
You comment on a particular thing or the chat.
Yeah, good. Yeah, I would try not to advertise that there's a chat function on there. I don't know if you guys have that open or not in this district. But if you wouldn't mind jumping in and commenting on 2 other slides. That's not on still, right? Another thing you can do is you can click on the profile on anonymous class posts. And if I click on that, it's going to take me straight to that person's, where their cursor is in the document. So I can see what they're working on and what's going on. And part of the reason the state legislature went from counting days for the school year to hours is for snow days and things like that. And during those bad weather days, you can definitely use this to continue the teaching and the learning. So if you put together like a video, a tutorial video, slapped it on Google Slides, and just send it to the kids, you wouldn't have to sit there and teach for 8 hours straight. You would be pushing the work on with the students, which is the main idea. Have y'all read anything from Alan November? Or familiar with. He's got something called this idea called digital farming, and you may want to like just jot down his name, Alan November. The idea is that you get your students to create a product that then gets consumed by a lower grade level. So if you're teaching 8th grade science, you'll collaborate with a 4th grade teacher and ask her, hey, what science concepts do you guys cover? My kids are going to create some videos, make a game, whatever. That'll be a grade for you guys, and then you send that stuff down to 4th grade, and then those 4th graders consume it. And that can work with ESL students. If you've got kids learning, if you've got students here in the United States that are learning Spanish, they can collaborate with Spanish-speaking students in Mexico, South America, whatever, so that they're learning from each other instead of looking at you as the sole source of knowledge. All right, so I'm going to end this video recording.